Excel has stopped working. This kind of error when you open your Excel you're getting. So how to rectify this? First you go to run Windows and R button. There you can type excel.exe space /SAFE. Press enter. Now the Excel will open with safe mode. Here you can see it is safe mode. First go to file and go to more setting and option. This is 2016. You can go here. Here you can check which add-on is added with your Excel. You have installed some application and you can click that and select go and uncheck that one and click OK. This is the first step. You need to check if it is conflicting with your printer driver. You can click start, setting, devices. Here you can click devices and printers and change your printer to another printer and make it default. Suppose I want to if it is Microsoft printer, I can change it to this one as a default printer. Okay, like this you can change it and open your Excel and try. Still you are facing the same problem. You need to go to Windows and R. Then here you type this command, which is appwij and cpl, and click on your Office and select change. Here you can select quick repair and click on repair. It will take some time and it will fix all the error, whatever error is there. If it is still not happening, you can go for online, which will take lots of time and consume your data, but it will 100% fix your problem because it will going to update your Office and repair it completely. Another thing I want to inform you, when you repair in this way, it will ask for the product key. You have to punch your product key again for repairing online.